Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. In this training video I'm gonna pay maximum attention of how to use sculpting mix gel and how to prepare it for sculpting nails. Some nail masters think that it's easy to find ideal product for sculpting nails, but it's wrong. Everything depends on many reasons. One of these reasons is the transparency of the camouflage gel. Some nail masters prefer more pigmented camouflage gel, and some nail technicians adore working with semi-transparent camouflage gel. For example, my brother Andrew, he used to work and he prefers working with semi-transparent camouflage gel for some reasons. The first reason, when you should shape in cuticles area and when you apply the French manicure, you don't need to cover this area. I mean in cuticles area. If you apply high pigmented camouflage gel, you can remove some pieces of gel in this area, and there will be gapes. There will be not color in that areas, and you should apply the following layer of the camouflage gel, so it takes a lot of time. When you use the semi-transparent gel, even if you file a lot in cuticles area, everything will be perfect and there will not be gapes and places where we lose the color in this area. That's why he prefers quick working without spending a lot of time on additional layers. That's why he likes using semi-transparent camouflage gel. Another nail masters, they prefer using high pigmented camouflage gel. Why? Just because they don't like shaping nails at all. They prepare nails on the first phase. They just remove the product and shape the final cut, the final shape at the first phase. It's something like the gel polish. Of course, nails in this case look not so accurate. The shape is not looking perfect and ideal, but it takes not too much time, and you are not getting tired so fast. You don't need to shape nails. So in this case, some nail masters prefer applying this camouflage gel like a gel polish. This product is hard enough, so it takes the shape perfectly, and they never shape this product. Of course, they prefer high pigmented camouflage gel. When the factory when producing this gel decided to produce this product, there was the question what consistency or the pigmentation to give this product. At first, we made this gel semi-transparent. Of course, half of nail masters were happy because I have told you already about it, because this product is ideal for French manicure. For example, when we need to open the area to show it without the gel polish cut. But all the rest of nail masters were not happy because the product wasn't so pigmented. After that, we have developed, updated this product and made it more pigmented, and we have produced the special clear gel which doesn't burn the nail plate, which is available on Shape of Nail 2. This clear gel can be mixed with the camouflage gel. You just can open the container and pour the clear gel right there into the camouflage. The proportions are doesn't matter. It depends on what transparency you need. It's no matter if you place, for example, 30% to this container or more, or if it's going much transparent that you need it, so you can mix it again to the perfect consistency. I think the professional nail masters, they are ready to mix products. I mean products of the same brand, which are mixable. So the name of sculpting mix gel, that means so you can mix it. You can mix to achieve the ideal camouflage tone. Okay, guys. As I told you before, you can make the product semi-transparent by mixing clear gel into the container of the sculpting mix gel, and if you prefer working with the pigmented camouflage gel, you can do nothing and use this as it is, and you shouldn't worry about if it's high pigmented. It can be brokeable, or it can be broken because of it's not strong. This product is strong with any consistency. If it's high pigmented or mixed with the clear gel, it will be very strong. So guys, for sculpting your ideal nails, you better to have one container of camouflage gel of any tone you like, and the other container of clear gel, no pain clear gel from shapeofnail.com, which doesn't burn the nail plate. It burns less than other clear gels. It's nonsense when the clear gel doesn't burn the nail plate, but this formula protects from high burning. It burns less than other products, than other clear gel. But if you have mixed this clear gel with the camouflage gel, it also doesn't burn the nail plate, and it's comfortable to work with this product. So guys, I think you should try this new formula of camouflage gel, of sculpting mix gel. We have pinkish tone, the Barbie tone, and two tones of the cover pink. One of them is the beige, other one is classic nude color, which is suitable for a lot of type of the skin colors. So and we have the white baby boomer gel, which can be also mixed with the clear gel. So if you mix the clear gel and the white gel, you have amazing baby boomer gel, which you can create with baby boomer nail designs. But if you work with white pigmented gel, you can also sculpt the French manicure. The French manicure can be also sculpted, not painted. It's very easy to sculpt it with this gel product. So guys, if you have any questions of how to use these products, how to cure them, by the way, they are curable, very easy to cure it in any LED lamp. It's very easy. It's only 1 minute. You don't worry about what's the layer. Is it thick or thin? It will be perfectly cured and it's also very easy to shape. So guys, you can ask me all questions down in the comments under this video. If you like this nail design, don't forget to click that like button. So watch it to the end, and tomorrow I will make something new for you.